Hey, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the new iPhone MagSafe Charger and 20-watt power brick combo with an older iPhone. I will do a full review of it with the iPhone 12 Pro Max when it's released, but until then, let's see how older iPhones like the iPhone 11 fare with this combo. Spoiler alert, it's a bit disappointing, and now let's see why. But before we jump right in, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel, and if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button as it helps me out a lot. Also hit that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Instagram, Discord and Twitter, and you can follow me on those using the links down in the description below. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, let's open these bad boys up and see what's inside. First, let's do the USB power adapter. We have the usual pull tabs, as you can see here. Pull that to the side, just repaste it. Does it repaste? Nope, it does not. Pull this up. We have a pull tab here. Pull this out. Let's keep that to a side for now. What else do we have? We have some warranty information and user information as well. Let's put those back in the box, like so. That thing as well. And we have the adapter right here. Let's pull it out of the holder-like thing. It has the protective film. It's no longer that plastic. This is more like a kind of paper. Let me bring that closer for the peeling off effect. Okay, and this is the power brick, really hefty. Really well built, as with all Apple power bricks. Now let's move on to the MagSafe itself. Okay, so the MagSafe, same way of opening. Pull back on this piece of plastic, lift up, and we are greeted with another pull tab. Let's pull that out. Designed by Apple in California. We open this up like that, and we are greeted with the MagSafe. Kind of bigger than I thought. Let's leave that to a side. What do we get in the box? We get a warranty leaflet. We also get regulatory compliance information and safety and handling. No Apple stickers, but that's expected from a small accessory like this. Now let's take it out of its holder. Pull back on this. Pull like that. Pull back on that. Take the cable out. The cable is secured by two of these. Let's pull that like that and pull it out. It's kind of stuck in there. Really tight fit actually. Okay. We do have the MagSafe itself here. It's considerably larger than what I thought. It's almost the size of a hockey puck. Here's the Apple MagSafe, MagSafe, the charger for an Apple Watch, the Series 5 charger, but it works on all of the others. As you can see, they're considerably larger. This has a almost white-ish back, while this has a silverish back. Let's take a closer look at the plug itself. We have USB Type-C, and here's the power brick. That in like that, and let's go plug this up and see how it works. The magnetic charging portion of the MagSafe charger is mainly built of aluminum, which kind of feels like the 7000 series aluminum used on the Apple Watch Series 0 and Series 1. It feels really sturdy and is well built all around. The middle is of course plastic. Well, not exactly plastic, it's somewhat rubberized, but it is a form of plastic. Overall, very well built and hefty in weight. The USB-C part is also built really well, and it feels like just like all the other Apple cables, example the lightning cable, but it's still obviously a bit bigger as it's USB-C. The cable is also made of the same material as any lightning cable, but I feel it's a bit more well built, but that could be just me feeling things wrong. I have pasted it to my table with a double-sided sticky tape, just like I did with my Apple Watch charger. And now let's go plug it in. The low profile of the 20-watt brick means it fits in easily with all my other chargers, as you can see here. Now that I have it all set up, I'm going to place my iPhone 11 on the MagSafe charger and it starts charging right away. Now I'm going to leave it on the charger and see how long it takes to charge from 14% right up to 100% while on airplane mode, because let's face it, when you're in a hurry and you need a fast charge, most of us will always put their phone on airplane mode to get it to charge faster. So I'll let you know the time once it's done. So I did have a peek at the phone after it started charging at 14% after about 4 minutes, and it had only gone up to about 17%, and I was like, okay, if it's gonna charge at 7.5 watts, it should be around at least 25 or 27% at 7.5 watts. So I thought, okay, there may be an issue, maybe I didn't align it properly or something like that. So I thought I will give it another shot. But I have a feeling that this thing is not charging the phone at the advertised 7.5 watts, and instead it's charging it at around 2 or 3 watts, which is quite low. This charger was only advertised to charge the new iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro models at the advertised 15 watts, but these should actually, the older models should actually charge at least at 7.5 watts, but I don't think we're getting that. So now I'm gonna leave it for another 5 minutes and see what it charges from then. We are at 24% now at 327. Let's leave it for 5 minutes and see what happens. So I still haven't looked at it yet, and oh well, I accidentally touched it there. So it's almost at the 5-minute mark, and it has only gone up by 2%. As you can see, it was at 24% when I started it at 327, but now it's just 26%, so it's even slower than before when I checked. So I think it's fluctuating. The charging is not even while after plugging it to a 20-watt power brick. This thing is not charging at 7%. I have no way to test exactly how fast it's charging, at what wattage, because most of the apps that check power are paid apps, and I just don't want to purchase that just for this video. But as you can see, it has not charged the phone considerably in the past 5 minutes. It was 24%, now it's 26%. So I have a feeling that this is not charging at 7.5 watts. So if you're an iPhone 11 or an older model iPhone user, you should seriously consider not buying this charger, this MagSafe charger, as it's not gonna charge your phone fast enough. So as a final conclusion, I'd like to say that the phone, if you do own an older iPhone like an iPhone 11 or below, purchasing the MagSafe plus 20-watt charging brick combo is not going to do you any good. You're better off purchasing a third-party charger like the Anker PowerWave stand, the Anker PowerWave stand, or the Anker PowerWave pad. I've already done a review on the Anker PowerWave stand in the card above. You can go check it out. That thing will actually charge it with an external power brick at about at least 15 watts or 7.5 watts, depending on which combination you use. And I think it's a better idea to use a third-party charger like that, as this MagSafe charger is not going to help you with your older iPhone. However, if you are purchasing the iPhone 12, then I guess you'll be fine. I'll be doing another review with this on this and the iPhone 12 Pro Max when I do buy it on the 6th and when it arrives on the 13th. So stay tuned for that review. I'm pretty sure it'll work perfectly with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but again, if you're a older iPhone owner, stay away from this charger. It's not gonna help you. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.